When we visit our dermatologist or our skin doctor, they prescribe us peeling. So, what is this peeling? Let's see. Whenever we go to our skin doctor for the treatment of our face, there may be pimple breakout, there may be melasma, there may be dark spots on our face, or just for tanning purpose, for glow, or for some fine lines, for improving texture, whatever may be the reason. When we approach our dermatologist, along with tablets and creams, dermatologists advise us peeling. So this peeling can be chemical peeling or laser peeling. So what actually is this chemical peeling? When we go to the dermatologist at the hospital itself only, the doctor will apply some chemicals to our face. Due to that, first we clean the face, then we apply those chemicals depending upon the condition, what is for what we are doing. The doctor will choose which chemical has to be applied, and then after applying that 5 to 10 minutes he will ask us to wait, and then after that we will wash that. After washing we will apply moisturizer, and then this is a lunch time. As it is a lunchtime procedure, the patient can go to his house. So the action of that peeling agent will start now. What will happen? The superficial dead skin will start to peel off, and then new skin will be formed. Along with that, collagen formation will take place, and due to that there will be improvement in the texture of the skin. The dark spots will be faded. So this happens. We usually repeat this procedure after 15 days, and 4 to 5 settings or more than that may be required. For this, gradually there will be improvement in the tone, texture, as well as the pimples and blemishes or dark spots will be faded. So this peeling can be generally it is of 4 types: very superficial, medium depth, and deep. So very superficial is generally suppose today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow there is some function, then very superficial peel can be done. But most commonly done is the superficial peel for pimples or for melasma or dark spots. In this superficial peel, it extends only up to the superficial layer of the skin, which is known as the epidermis. Second layer of the skin is the dermis, and in medium depth peel we approach the superficial part of the dermis, that is papillary dermis, whereas in the last, that is deep peels, we approach the deep dermis, that is the reticular dermis. So most commonly we do superficial peel only, and it takes very less downtime, that is the 2 to 3 days. There may be redness or swelling over the face, but then it also clears, and you start seeing the results. What we generally do is, for 2 days we should not wash our water with soap. We can use mild cleansers, but we should use tap water, and that too cold water, not hot water. No scrubbing, and we should not peek our skin. Secondly, we should apply moisturizers more often and sunscreen after peeling to avoid sun exposure. And thirdly, we should to avoid dryness, we should apply moisturizer frequently. Some people may say that after doing peels, there is chemical peeling, there is outbreak of acne. This may happen just because as we apply emollient creams more, so that's why there may be blockage of pores and there may be outbreak of acne. But no need to worry about it. As we have started tablets and creams, the acne will eventually disappear. But as there is peeling, we have to for even removal of superficial skin, we should apply moisturizers more and more. Third thing is we should avoid sun exposure, and we should avoid rubbing vigorously or peeling of our skin. So thus we can see that only there is redness for 2 to 3 days, and thereafter there is no. It is very safe procedure, very simple procedure. This can be done with laser also. We can say CO2 laser peeling, or sometimes we do carbon laser peeling also. We apply carbon, and that is mainly done for tanning or for glow purpose, or party. It can be done for party peel, also called as Hollywood peel. So in those cases also the same precautions has to be done. And if there are scars, then we do laser proper, and those are deep. But just for superficial purpose, what we do is superficial chemical peeling and laser peeling. So there, don't keep any fear in your mind about these lasers or peeling. They are very useful, along with tablets and creams, along with oral and topical treatments. They are very useful tool. That work which cannot be done by tablets and creams, it is done with the help of these chemicals and with the help of these lasers.